Hello guys, before we get into the unboxing video, I wanted to show you how I am storing my collections recently. This idea I got from one of the crafty friends here on YouTube, and I'm super happy that I got to know about this because it's working out great. Usually I'm not good at organizing, and well, once I get going, it's easier, but getting started, that's the hardest part for me, right? So my craft room is coming along really nicely thanks to this. Everything is staying in order thanks to these containers. So I am getting these containers from Hobby Lobby. They're the zipper cases, and I'm currently storing each collection in one container. Well, especially if I have not used them, like if it's something new that I need to use or create a project and I have multiple things of that collection, this is the way I'm storing it. Okay, so as you can see, here's the 49 Market collection that I got. We're gonna get into all the pieces that I received, and then also the pink lemonade from Simple Stories, and also this one here. Okay, so this is how I'm storing them, each in each container, and once I use them, then they get added with each other, the same brand, like Simple Stories. This two will be go together in one container, and I'm sure I can fit more than just this two because it's not much after I'm done with my projects. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys that, and ensure to watch my YouTube video also for the unboxing, the flip through of the items that I recently released for my Etsy shop. If you don't know, I have an Etsy shop where I sell embellishments, instructions, scrapbooking kits, albums. Just think about it. Just go through every section, the new custom everything orders. And then this is the album that I just created for a doodle bug using the new scallop. I have it in a little baggie, and I want you guys to go and see the blog post and the video of me flipping through this. All right guys, so let's get started. Hello friends, my name is Connie. Thank you for coming and stopping by the Daily Life of Creativity. And today I am doing an unboxing haul of the new items that I got. These are from A Cherry on Top. Some of them are from the design team, and I also bought a few extra things, you know, because you can never have too much, I guess. You always want the pretty things. You want to have everything that's out there that you like and love. So let me just go through the items that I bought, that I got for this haul. Okay, so I wanted to try out the Color Me Happy collection by Simple Stories. Guys, I am loving the chipboard pieces. This one is the Color Me Happy chipboard. I love that it has a variety of different sizes of things, right? Like, look at all that. Like, it has like really small little pieces, medium or large, and you can use them throughout different projects. Okay, you can add them as little charms or just clusters, or even if you just get the Color Me Happy chipboard pieces to create some, you know, some project, you can do that. You don't have to get everything if you don't have it in your budget. Of course, you know, we work with what we have, right? So yeah, these are all the pieces from the Color Me Happy chipboard, and I love the words, the frames, the typewriters, the houses. Everything is so beautiful, and I love the colors of it. I also got the, let me see here. I'm just putting everything back in this bag, and then I'm going from there. I also got the Color Me Happy journaling bits. These are always great to journaling bits. I like to tuck them behind photos and just add little notes. I'm not usually a person that when I create a project, I create notes on top of my layouts. I don't really like to do that. I know some people do like to type it out, and some people love to do it like you see here. Like, I don't have any notes here, but I'm sure I will have something tucked in the back. I will write and stick it in there. So if it's not in the back, it's either on the, you know, like places like that. We'll see. And when I do write something, it's just like little words, you know, on my list. So things like that. Yeah. But if it's something long and lengthy, it's probably hiding. So yeah, those are great. I also got the Color Me Happy floral bits. You can never go wrong with a floral. I love flowers. They're super beautiful. And this one comes with 58 pieces. The Color Me Happy bits and pieces, I guess. Oh, this one's different. Okay, so yeah, Wow, super, super cute. I love all the icons and the variety of things. So it is up to you. I always love getting the enamel dots. This is always the way I finish a project. You know, just to complete it, add little clusters of enamel dots, sprinkle them throughout your project. These are the decorative brads. They're self-adhesive, so they have adhesive in the back. And these are the chipboard pieces. And I also got the collection, the 12 by 12 collection kit. So that comes with the papers and then of course the sticker sheet. Okay, the sticker sheet is the icon sheet because it's different now, guys. They have different type of sheets for different things, I guess. All right, the next collection that I got that I am in love with is the pink lemonade collection. It is so beautiful, guys. Of course, I had to get the chipboard pieces. They're so pretty. Like if we opened it here, just as we opened it, look at the florals and the butterflies and those little cute strawberries and all the icons and the phrases. Look on the sunny side. That's so pretty. Look at that. The bicycle, the lemonade stand. It's just so pretty. Like, and the lemons. I just love that. And there is so much in here. Like, you can do so much with this. Even the frame and the camera. It is just super adorable, right? So yeah, so this one comes with 51 pieces, and I also got the enamel dots, the journaling bits, and the bits and pieces also. So there we go. So you get a repetition of some of the icons that are in the chipboard and some extra new ones, which is good to have them in different type of texture, quality of, you know, paper, chipboard, things like that. I had to get the, what is this one here? The pink lemonade floral bits, super cute. And then you have some florals and bases, just some of them are like stems and stuff like that. I also got the brads and the, you know, this one, the brads and the chipboard pieces. And I also, for this one, got the 12 by 12 collection kit, which comes with the icon sticker, okay? Which you get the borders, the words, you get a little bit of everything to create a layout. And of course the papers, super pretty. All right, so Vicky has a new collection and it's called Artful Moments by 49 on Market. And oh gosh, this collection is so beautiful, guys. It's colorful, it's fun, it's just, you know, it's an explosion of color. So I had to get it, and I got the 12 by 12 pattern papers. I guess it comes with 2 of each, right? Yeah, 2 of each design. So this is the paper pad. I also got the foil die assortments. So this is all foiled, super pretty. And it comes with 129 pieces. This one is the icons and titles ephemera set. Look at all that. And I love that she gives you a variety of many things in different colors for everything. So you can stick to a color if you want to, and then have multiple pieces to recreate certain things. All right, I also got the Artful Moment chipboard bits, and this one comes with words that are handwritten, some of titles, stars, and little tabs, which is super cute. I also got the Artful Moments journaling bits. So much coming here, guys. And I also got the 6x8 paper craft essentials. And I'm thinking you can create a really fun mini album just with the essentials alone. And if you want to put some variety into it, you can do it with just these 2 pieces, which is amazing. So much product comes in here. I guess, like, I don't even know how many pieces. Like, it tells you right here, it comes with 12 double-sided heavy weight cardstock sheets. It comes with designs of 2 44 laser cut embellishments, laser cardstock die cuts, and so much things in here, guys. And I had to get 2 of the rub-ons because I love using rub-ons. I love using them on cover pages, acrylic, on wood, on paper. They're so much fun to use, guys. I have used them some of on my acrylic albums that I have on my Etsy shop. I love doing that. if you put them on your acrylic album, they look so good. And this one here, oh, I'm in love with this. This is something that you need multiple of because you can create so much layers. I also got the laser cut elements and some of the cardstock stickers. So beautiful. And then for pink lemonade, I got some of the foam stickers, which I love, and the basics, and then also another icons, I guess. And then for the color me happy, I got the icons. I should have paid attention. I thought thinking this is the same. I was thinking that I was getting the different one, but I was getting the same one. So next time I need to pay attention to get to the other one that is not in the 12 by 12 collection kit. Hey guys, for this one here, I got the Staples paper pack, and I love that it's a rainbow of colors. I got a few extra papers here that I love. Like, I just love this wheel of rainbow. I love this. And these are some of the papers that I wanted to have more than one. And the tags, I love tags, so I had to get this one because I'm thinking of cutting one out and then just placing them in different projects. And then I also got this pack. This one is the staplers paper pack, so it comes with 10 sheets. And then that is it, guys. That is my haul for A Cherry on Top. So it's Simple Stories 49 on Market for this haul. I love Simple Stories, so I feel like you will always see some type of Simple Stories in my hauls. Thank you once again. Sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and sure to watch other videos that I have posted here. Follow me on Instagram at The Daily Life of Creativity. That's where I share most of the projects that I create. Bye.